Hey everyone, I hope you had a awesome weekend. Welcome to week 13. We are starting a new unit this week talking about chemical reactions. As always, remember your expectations and remember that if you're sick, it is okay to stay home. Anything that you need to do can be done at home or here if you are coming in person. Remember, there's these different schedules. I think we're getting into the routine and the habit of what this is going to look like. I think we're also starting to become more comfortable with this general categories of work, with our Monday preview and our prep work happening first, our lesson happening either Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, and then the independent post-lesson work happening later on in the week with that mental health check-in fitting in whenever works for you. So remember that no matter what group you're in, you are going to be expected to do some work at home. So virtual folks, you're obviously working at home the whole time. Group A, you're getting some work done obviously here early in the week, but the rest of the assignments that come later in the week, you will need to do at home. Flip that for Group B. Group B, you need to start your week out getting some work done and coming in Thursday, ready to finish the week strong and finish up those late week assignments. Remember with Wednesday, my Wednesday group, there are 2 times that we can meet on our virtual time is Wednesday. That's when the live lesson will occur. The second lesson will happen at 10:35 on, that's a typo, it should say Thursdays. Make sure you know your schedules, and if you have questions about these schedules, don't hesitate to ask. We're going to continue to use lots of different platforms. This week we've got some Kahoot and we've got some Jamboard. Go in number order, turn in your work, watch the Ed puzzles all the way through. And if you miss the lesson in person or virtual, make sure you watch the recorded version on Edpuzzle later. Google Classroom has so many pieces of information for you. I have now changed your virtual schedule here. So if you're confused, make sure you check that. General announcements, warm-up assignments, links to Pear Decks, those kinds of things you'll find here. In the assignments tab, as always, your assignments are sorted by week, going in number order. And the assignments all go in number order, paying attention to this top link. This is now for anyone that misses the lesson, either in person, Group A or B, or virtual on Wednesdays. And again, the important thing that we're trying to do is get these pre-lesson assignments that are posted on Monday done before you have your lesson, either Group A getting it done in person on Monday or Group B getting it done at home before we do our lesson on Thursdays. Reach out if you have help, or reach out if you need help. I'm here for you. Just make sure you ask. And thank you for continuing to be awesome and killing it. We're going to get through this. We're doing great. About 5 more weeks left. So this week, like I said, we're talking about chemical reactions. We're differentiating different types of chemical reactions and physical change and starting to think about what is going on in a chemical reaction at the molecular level. So this week, we actually have 5 assignments. They're going to be pretty short. This is what you're watching, number 48. There's a Kahoot challenge for number 49. Those are the 2 pre-lesson assignments that I need you to have done before your lesson on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Our post-lesson work is a text analysis that I will introduce and talk about at some point in your lesson, as well as a really, really, really short ed puzzle. Then the mental health check assignment this week is about gratitude. And so again, I'll reiterate this. Remember, just because you're in school does not mean you are not working at home. There is still stuff that I need you to get done at home. So virtual crew, make sure you come to our Wednesday class with 48 and 49 done. Group B, make sure you come to class Thursday with 48 and 49 done. And Group A, you're going to have to do this work at home, finishing up 50, 51, and 52. All of those assignments that are coming out after we do our lesson, those need to be make sure that you are doing them at home on your own time because you will not be here. Make sure you bring your device if you're coming in person. Make sure you charge it. Know when you're coming, know when you're working asynchronously, and let's wear a mask, keep our spacing, and be safe. All right, let's do it. Let's have a great week. I will see you soon. Bye.